If you got an online store, then product pictures are everything, right? But plain pics, they don't stand out.
Maybe you are right.
Imagine now your product photos showcased by AI models. Looks way better, right?
That's right. That's right.
So today in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can showcase your product with the AI models in simple step with super easy AI tool. So make sure you watch the video till the end. First, head over to the website of the tool we will be using. So the tool name is Sellerpic and you can see the tools link in the description. So go over there, click on it, and once you are on the site, click on Start Free Trial. Sign in using your Google account, and after logging in, you will receive 20 free credits. I have a paid plan, so you can see I have more credits. Now we are inside the dashboard. On the right hand side, you see several features like Instruct Edit, AI model image, AI product image, and more. I have already created a tutorial for some of these. You can check those on I button, or you can also find the link in the description. Since we want to showcase our product, we will use the Instruct Edit feature. So click on it. A chat-like interface opens. It's very similar to ChatGPT. So at the bottom, you will find different feature options. From there, click on Showcase. On this screen, you will see an example image and prompt already filled in. Go ahead and delete those. Now in the first box, upload your product image. Then in the second box, you can upload model image or any reference image you want to use. Below that, there is a prompt box where you can describe how you want the final image to look. For example, a model holding the product in a clean studio background, or however you want the vibe to be. Once everything is set, click on Credit button and wait for few seconds. Your new image are generating, and here is the final result. Pretty cool, right? If you want me to cover more feature of this fantastic tool, then comment down below and I'll definitely make a videos on those features.
Why not?
So here is the fun part. Now I turn this simple image into a video for my ads for social medias. Let's see how to do it. So just click on image and download it. Then use the image to video feature. Type in what kind of video you want in the prompt. So I'm done with mine, and if you want to talk or have background audio, generate that too. You can set how long the video should be and what style you want. And when you are ready, hit generate. A few seconds later, your video is done and it looks amazing. And that's it. If you found my video useful, make sure you hit on that like button and subscribe my channel. Make sure you share this video with your e-commerce friends. See you in the next one.